We have seen local government working in this COVID experience. Opening of community bars, taverns, beaches, rivers, all the protocols that was announced in this house, Mr. Speaker. It was the Social Development Commission that went out and did the survey, made the necessary recommendations. Over 35,000 meals have been provided for the poor people of this country living on our streets, Mr. Speaker. We have added a new feature to benefit these people. We have established what we call a soup kitchen for the homeless. This was established at Church Street in Kingston, which I will be opening in a couple of weeks' time. This facility will provide 700 meals on a daily basis, Mr. Speaker, for those persons who are desperately in need of it. This year, we are aiming to build an additional 12 more this year in the parishes of St. James, St. Elizabeth, St. Mary, and St. Andrew will benefit from 12 additional houses for the indigent across this country. We will continue to improve our infirmaries island-wide. The final phase of the $200 million project financed by the National Housing Trust is well on the way. The new administrative building is almost completed. Work is going on in Portland on a new female ward, St. James a new male ward, Westmoreland a new male ward and matron quarters. These are well advanced, Mr. Speaker, and will be completed before the end of this current financial year. The demands are growing, Mr. Speaker. In the parish of St. Catherine, no provisions was made. But when we did the survey, we discovered that there's a growing population of homeless Jamaicans in the parish of St. Catherine. What we have done, Mr. Speaker, is that, again, I went to the Minister of Finance and made a request. And we got some money. And out of that money, we are now building a brand new facility in Linstead that was never a part of the original program. We care about poor people. We care about these people, Mr. Speaker. So we are doing everything to ensure that we put these people in place, Mr. Speaker. Mr. Speaker, there's another sector of Jamaicans that the Ministry of Local Government, through the Poor Relief Department, is taking responsibility for. You have many Jamaicans who have been deported and come back home. A lot of them don't have anywhere to go. So what we are now doing, Mr. Speaker, in the member constituency from Central Kingston, there is 47 Ioban Street, where there was a facility. There is a facility that is there. We are now retrofitting that facility to ensure that those persons who cannot go into the infirmaries, that we make provisions for those persons, and this is being done through the work of the Board of Supervision. To further strengthen the accountability structure of the corporations, we have sought the support of the Ministry of Finance and Public Service to establish an audit committee in each municipality. Moreover, we will be receiving technical assistance in implementing a new accounting-based system, Mr. Speaker, and this system is being supported by grant funding through the European Union under the Technical Cooperation Facility. This year, Mr. Speaker, we are not just talking about giving them trucks. The Black River Fire Station in St. Elizabeth, Lucy in Hanover, will be repaired at a cost of $39.5 million, Mr. Speaker. Relief is coming for the firefighters in Ola. Work will commence, Mr. Speaker, on a brand new facility on the site where the original fire station was situated in Old Harbour, and we are expecting that the firefighters in Old Harbour, by the end of this calendar year, will have a new surroundings to work out of. Andrew Holness administration is providing, Mr. Speaker. Mr. Speaker, medical services will be launched in Ocho Rios in St. Anne's Bay. We will provide bunker gears, jaws of life cutting tools, and other equipment at a cost of $248 million to the Jamaica Fire Brigade, Mr. Speaker. We are training 85 new recruits, Mr. Speaker. The local government system, Mr. Speaker, is there for everybody, Mr. Speaker. Under this investment that we have made, Mr. Speaker, in strengthening local government, we have seen more drop-in centers being constructed, more being provided for the poor and the destitute, Mr. Speaker, more fire trucks, more garbage trucks, Mr. Speaker. We have seen where persons, we opened a Rona hotline that was managed by the SDC. And you will be surprised to know, Mr. Speaker, that when we opened the Rona line, Mr. Speaker, more than 5,000 Jamaicans have been calling the line.